Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change orientation of only one page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the orientation of only one page. Firstly, go to the window menu, enable the pages option. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Now we want to change the orientation of only one page. Go to the file menu and go to the document setup option. Then select the selected spread and choose any page. Now I am select the second page and change the orientation portrait to landscape and click OK. Then check the second page. Now we can see we change the orientation of only one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.